Hi guys, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. You may be thinking, what am I doing here and what is he actually holding in his hand? For what you are seeing there, that is a single gauge manifold. I am using a single gauge manifold to charge an R410A gas into an inverter air condition, an iSense inverter air conditioner, and this is actually how to connect up your single gauge. Understand, single gauge saves as much as I believe it can. That is the connection copper. I used an original connection copper for the AC installation, but there was no refrigerant in the system, so I had to recharge refrigerant into the system. 410 refrigerants, the rpm is between 120 to 140 psi. If it should go above, it should be just within 150 psi. So that's what I'm doing here now. What we have already on the system is just 20 psi, so I'm gradually recharging the refrigerant into the system. So I just had to remove the faded sticker on it, so you see it very clear. That is 20 psi, and the system is yet to receive more refrigerant, so it can start cooling. It actually had a leakage, so I've just worked on the leakage and I have to refill the gas into the system. You see, it has already started freezing. It has already started freezing the discharge copper. Can you see that? That is actually how it tells that you have a little refrigerant in the system, not quite enough to run the whole AC to cooling temperature. It's just only minimal for the compressor to run efficiently, but we need much refrigerant at least to start cooling up the house. Understand? To start dissipating cooling air into the house. So what we have now is just 30 psi. The number at the number below is the psi we are talking about. The number above is the refrigerant kg, but the calibration there is not just okay for everybody to understand. But what we really need to put into consideration is the number below, which is the the psi. The number below is the psi. That number I'm just trying to show you now is the psi. The number above is the kg, but the one below is what we are considering. So when you are charging a 410 refrigerant, put that number into consideration. It is calibrated between 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. Like, it's calibrated between interval of 20 units. You get it? Interval of 20 units, depending on the type of scale you are buying. But this my own is calibrated in 20 units. Now we have it in 40. We have the psi running towards 40, and that is the frozen pipe. If you have something close to what the system needs to run and dissipate cooling into the house, you will see that defrosing pipe that frozen pipe will be defrosted. So you see how I actually connect my pipe. The terminal bottom goes to the AC, while the other terminal by the side goes to the charging cylinder, goes to the gas cylinder. Please always put this into consideration. If you turn the connection, it will not work. It will not work. That is saying, it has actually started defrosing, but it has not fully done its job well. So it has actually started defrosing. That's to tell you that the gas is getting up there. It's almost to where it actually wants to start dissipating cool air into the house. The frozen pipe will just defroze and everything will start cooling very well. Just observe how it works. Sure. Click the subscribe button, click the like button, also click the notification button, as it helps me, like it encourages me to make more videos like this for you. I'm here to serve you the best. I'm here to show you what you need to know I'm here to make you understand refrigeration. I'm here to make you understand about things about AC. You understand? It's very easy to understand it. It's very easy to understand it. People have problem on how to use single gauge manifold, but with this, it's very easy for you to get it done. Have you seen what you're doing? Well, what we are doing there now is about 70 to 80 psi, and this is what you're observing. 70 to 80 psi, it will get defrosted. It will get defrosted and free up the discharge pipe. The suction pipe is still doing its job. The discharge pipe has got frozen. So how to defrost the discharge pipe is to add more refrigerant to the system. Once it reaches its gauge level, the frozen pipe will be very free and it will be very cool. That means that it has actually started dissipating cool air into the house. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You get to learn more about air condition. Is it last week I just posted a video related to Hisense AC remote settings. It's very important for you to know that also, because there are some problems you may have concerning your AC not cooling. You don't know that it's actually from the AC remote, so you have to watch the video. You learn how to set up your AC remote, your Hisense AC remote, so it will enhance a faster cooling. So from what it is now, it is in 80 psi, and what we are looking towards is between 120 to 140 psi. So if we can get it up to 120 to 140 psi, very much better for us. Just have a calm look at it. It will get defrost and we are good to go. To get defrost and we are good to go. When once it gets defrost, you will observe that the air coming out from the outdoor system will now be a hot air. Understand? It will not be blowing in a normal fan anymore. That's what I'm trying to observe here now. It's just an hot air coming out from the system, but the hot air is not that powerful because the system is not totally defrosted. If you observe, there's still some iotas of ice on the system, so we have to still add more refrigerant to it again to get it totally defrosted, and we are actually looking up to a psi at least to make up everything up to standard. That is 100 psi already. What we are looking towards is between 120 to 140 psi. So I need to add the refrigerants again. Understand? If I can get it to 120 psi, that's the best. What do you observe? What do you observe now? We are getting there, we are getting there, we are getting there. It has actually cleared off. It has actually cleared off. Have you seen the water dripping? That is how it is. From what you've just seen now, that's how it is. That's 100 psi. We still keep adding up the gas because we wouldn't want to leave the system dragging. We wouldn't want to leave the system dragging. We want to take it up to the standard refrigeration level. Standard refrigerant level. I'm feeling the hot air now. That's where the hot air starts from. That is where it stops. That's where it starts from. All this other part is cool air. So it's actually working perfectly. It's working good. It's working good. Why I'm actually showing you the cylinder and the AC there is for you to know where you are actually connecting your charging hose to. It is very necessary you know that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as you tend to learn more about air condition. Thank you.